This will find you exactly when your lucky era begins. The good luck time, the things you have been manifesting, everything is coming at place, and this timeline is starting right away as this message reaches you. Whenever this is reaching you, it is a timeless reading. Well, let's go ahead and deep dive in what angels are trying to tell us during this time. And also, there is a past life connection now. This past life connection is trying to talk about there is some kind of activation happening inside you. Let's go ahead and deep dive what it is. But before that, this is Mystic Shakti and Divya by the name. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and let's go ahead and deep dive what this timeline is bringing in. Your spirit animals are reaching you in some form or the other. You might see yourself being inclined towards more animals. It could be the pets as well. You're planning to adopt a pet, or you already have them with you. It could be anything. You are connecting more with nature, more with animals. These days you might be experiencing hawks around you. You are also experiencing crows around you. You are listening to certain different kind of chirpings, different kind of birds, singing songs, something like that. There is some kind of a difference happening in your environment, specifically relevant to animals and birds. Coming back to what this timeline is bringing, activating is, of course, good luck. One is good luck. Apart from that, you are getting more protection. See, I talked about dogs. You are either planning to pet a dog, or you already have one. Your spirit team, your angels are coming via these animals to you. They are talking to you via these animals. Whoever, whatever is resonating these days, you might be seeing ladybug, you might be seeing dogs. Apart from that, the past life experiences that are being activated are two things. One, the throat chakra 333 would be resonating to you all. You might be seeing color blue, the dark blue shades, the shades of blue, specifically the darker blue might be resonating. You would be willing to wear more of blacks. Would be willing to wear lavender, or I would say purple, not just lavender. You are more close towards the darker shades. You're willing to have more darker shades in your life. The throat chakra is activating now in a manner that you have become too blunt. You are speaking out the truth, and you are actually saving your energies for the right things. Again, saving your energies being said, you are not going out and over explaining yourself. The left ear is buzzing right now. You're not over explaining yourself. You're not sharing certain information what you're not supposed to share with certain people. Instead of arguing, you're choosing a way of compassion, the way of dignity to express your feelings. Though you are blunt, but you know exactly that I'm not supposed to be speaking and wasting my energy behind these people, because they would never change come what may. I am ascending, I am aligning, and this is one of the signs that you're ascending. If people are not able to understand, even though when you have been speaking to them 10 different times, or you have spoken about certain particular emotion of yours, expressed it out so many times, and people still don't understand, chances are they are not aligning, and they are not going to be a part of you in the near future. 333, as I'm talking about, again, the throat chakra is trying to say that you know exactly where to invest your energies, where to speak up and where not to argue. Instead of arguing, you're focusing on your future. Hawks would be one of the signs. Animals in some form, dragonflies could be one of the signs. Again, the transformative phase. Yes, you are in a transformative phase. You're seeing so many dragonflies outside. You are seeing different animals in form of pictures, animation movies. It could be anything. Whatever this is supernatural power being activated. So you have come in this life with a bigger purpose. You're not someone who is born for the first time. You are an older soul. You have been taking rebirth so many times, and you are someone who is reactivating those natural powers in you in this lifetime. You're moving more close towards your timeline of, I would say, the actual purpose that you decided before you took birth. I don't know how many of you are aware of life, birth, and death cycle. Before a soul take births, it decides what is the main purpose of my life. Why am I going in? This is a game, okay? This is just a game. So till what stage am I supposed to reach? or what is my ultimate game, and how many stages am I going to go through. So suppose if I'm supposed to be leading a group of females, for instance, I'm supposed to be leading a group of females, activating more of femininity, or leading a group, a tribe, contributing towards a community, and I'm going to activate or find them, make them understand what is the balance between feminine energies and masculine energies, how to balance practicality, logical life to a magical life. If I'm supposed to, it's, if that's my purpose, so definitely I have to reach to that purpose. I have to go through a complete process of understanding first what is femininity, for what is masculine energies, how to form a balance, how to actually believe in magic, or how to manifest certain things in my life. Until and unless I go through the complete process, it's just like graduating or mastering. You have already graduated in your past life, but until I master this, I won't be a professor. I won't be able to help people, show that light, show that wisdom that they are supposed to listen to. So if whatever your life purpose you decided, your soul decided hundreds of life before that I'm supposed to be reaching this, and this is my main purpose, that's the sole reason I'm planning to take the birth on this earth, in whatever form, in this form. Initially it is always an animal form, and slowly from animal formations you become a human being. So after so many lives, you are ultimately entering a timeline where your main purpose begins. Now, it is not an ultimatum that you would complete everything in this life, but no, the initiation has happened. So, whenever the initiation happens, you enter a timeline where you start preaching, when you start actually helping people knowingly, unknowingly. You are getting more and more focused in your life, instead of investing time, money, energy again onto people. It could be also your close one, your loved ones. Instead of investing certain argumentative areas, energies into your argumentative areas, you are preferring, let me put this up, let me channel this, alchemize this into something very productive, which will only bring in mental peace, which will only bring in happiness. Because the ultimate purpose of everyone is to live, and to live peacefully and happily. That's an ultimate purpose of whoever you are. Really doesn't matter. And this is just a body form. We all are beautiful souls, and we have come here to be living a happy and fulfilled life and peaceful life. Everything else is materialistic, and you are understanding this fact now. You are understanding that I am here to be leading a life of fulfillment. 744, as I was talking about it, the angel numbers that you might be seeing is the mirror number 0440 1331 1212. I'm also seeing 24 24 444 555 on the timer. The left ear, I, okay, you're becoming more observant. You are focusing on the right things. Observant, you're understanding the crux of where this is coming in from. Instead of focusing on the problems, you have become solution oriented. Now whenever there is a fight that is happening around you, or you have decoded that what this karmic cycle was, oh wow, that brings in another message. So we, yeah, before I move towards that message, uh, you have understood that if someone is behaving, there is a reason behind it. There are uh, no coincidences. You are checking onto yourself, reflecting on your own behavior, and asking yourself, where am I, contributing, or where am I, why am I reacting to this, where am I contributing the similar way, or in a, whatever this is, you are able to resonate to what I'm trying to say. And if you are able to resonate, honey, you have reached to a level of unbeatable frequency, and you're only rising. You're only rising. I'm listening. So again, the other channel message I was getting for you, 888 would be number that you are seeing. 88 could also be one of the number. It is 8th today when I'm recording this. Well, uh, yes, you have reached to a level in your life where you're deciding that I am not going to take a revenge. I'm not going to go out and be, investing, or putting up more efforts into making them understand why they did to me or what they did to me, or teaching a lesson in any form. You are leaving everything to karma. You are leaving everything to karma. Yes, number gray. You're coming out of your gray life. Your life is getting more and more colorful. You're planning to die here. I'm not, though, but you might be planning to die here. You're getting more and more bold. outspoken though, but you are letting karma decide how this person will learn their lesson. Because you are someone who has ascended to a level of understanding that if I go out and pour more energies to this person, I would only create karmic loop for my own self. You have come to this wisdom in your life, which is making you understand that I'm not supposed to be creating any more karmas. I'm here to break the patterns and create a legacy for the upcoming generation, create a legacy of freedom, thinking from the higher self, taking walking on the higher self path, taking guidance, being more intuitive, being more magical, being more focused, not getting into gossips anymore. You are someone who has learned the patterns that if I do this, if I ask like why they behaved the way they behaved, karma is going to put me into a situation to make me understand their situations, to make me understand the scenario, to make me understand why actually the other side behaved. You're getting your answers by experiencing the same things the other side behave, and this has made you more tough, more strong. 1122 123, of course, this is making you more close towards the awakening, more close towards your life purpose. Now this was a tower moment for you, and tower moment has come in to only uplift you so that you rebuild your foundation. You have forgotten, you definitely have forgotten, we all have forgotten what actually the life purpose is. As soon as we take birth, within within months together, within weeks together, we tend to forget why exactly we have taken birth, and that is the soul game. Life is actually a game to actually remember why did we come in. That's called as awakening. Why did we come in at first place, and how am I supposed to move into that direction is the second step. So yes, tape. Someone is muting up, someone is sticking, reborn, reconnections are coming together. You are reawakening certain things in your life from your past life, from this life, whatever this is. There is a connection. You are remembering happy time. I'm listening, some of you are from 90s, 80s and 90s. Yeah, and you are remembering the timeline where you used to communicate without any convenience. 1 2 3 4 ascension again. Yes, you have learned the fact that if I could, or we could survive that life path, we could survive that timeline. This timeline is way too easy. We have got so many conveniences, but also we need to know where to draw a line. You are not someone who's getting more influenced by social media or getting more influenced by what others are doing. Rather, you're detaching yourself from social media these days. You are detaching that I'm not going to fall prey to what people show me, because people tend to project themselves in a different way, project themselves and show the world that they are too happy, but within there is some kind of, you know, struggles behind the smile that they show. With all sympathy, with all empathy, not sympathy, but of course, uh, you have understood the message that I'm not supposed to go back. 333, yes, I'm not supposed to go back to those timelines and get gimmicked by what people, what society is trying to show it to me. But I'm supposed to walk the path of my own. I'm supposed to be leading my own life and without being influenced by people around me. You are reflecting big time, and this is a huge success. This is a huge success. You are being protected. The good luck is here. Of course, I forgot to show you this card. You are emotionally healing. One of the message universe is trying to give you is you are supposed to change your diet. Some of you are going through gastric issues, could also be going through bloating problems, of course, thyroid problem. The throat chakra seems little blocked. Whatever this is, universe is asking you to change your diet. Be more onto herbal teas, bring in more, connect with mother earth, bring in more flowers around you. Change your diet to vegan if possible. Whatever this is, take what resonates, leave what not, because whatever you are manifesting, it's actually coming true. You are a magical manifestor. 1445 on the timer. I'm sorry, that was a release. Some of you are also meeting your love of your life in this particular month. Whenever it reaches you, it is reaching you at the divine time. This particular month is going to bring in your twin flame or your soul connection, either of them, whatever your age, your purpose you have decided onto. But this is activating something in your life. Sun rays, yeah. This is activating something in your life, and something what? Your heart chakra in your life. Something what? Color pink, color red, color green would be resonating to you. All green is the heart chakra color. When it blooms with red and pink color. So yes, these are the colors that might be resonating to you all these days. Love is coming your way and it will find its own direction. You have to do nothing much, just listen to your instincts, because your instincts are taking you to the places. Everything is happening at the divine time, and divine time is now with the divine force. You are getting most lucky this year, this particular month, especially 555 would be resonating. There is emotional fulfillment coming your way. Nothing, nobody can stop that emotional fulfillment. You are traveling, and the travel will bring in these connections for you, or some of you are getting and meeting. You are also activating your strength, the most strength. Ask yourself, what is it that made me come out of difficult situations in the past, is one of the message. Some of you might be connecting to your own childhood. You would be connecting to your inner child and asking, what makes me feel happy? If eating ice cream makes me feel happy, I'm doing it. If walking this path makes me happy, I'm doing it. If flying makes me happy, I'm doing it. So you are listening to your inner child, which is the best gift you can give it to yourself. This particular month is bringing in so many beautiful things in your life, and this is no joke. This is no joke. Thank you, universe, for giving me these blessings. Let's go ahead and decode a couple of few more cards for you all. What is the summer timeline? Sunflowers. The summer timeline, expansion, growth. The spring season is happening now for so many of you. Oh yes, the spring season is happening now for so many of you. Again, the fruitfulness, the flowers are growing. Honeybee, yeah, honeybee, the focused ones. The focus, they know exactly what and how. Once the purpose is done, once the purpose is done, it's all done, it's all sorted. You live a life of sweetness. You are living a life, you're entering a life of growth and expansion and sweetness. There is only and only progress in your life. There's only and only progress in your life. You are renewed, regenerated, reinvented, reset is done, new life has begun. Revival, progression. Oh, didn't I talk about dragonflies earlier? I don't know if I spoke about it. Yeah, you're seeing dragonflies, different types of leaves, color green again. You have started wearing some kind of crystals, some stones, or you are getting more inclined towards stones. This is a time of growth. 1818, as I was talking about it, adjustments, yeah. I have been recording this since like this. Well, no worries. This is the time of growth. This is moving you, taking you more close towards the awakening that you're supposed to go through in your life. Cards are slipping out today. Oh, the supernatural power, didn't I talk about this? Oh yes, I did. I did talk about it. 1515 would be one of the number. The big break is here. Wow, how could I? Okay. The big break is here. The exhaustion that you went through, the exertion that you went through, now you don't have to go through it. There hardly any steps you would need to take. You are just someone like a child now. It's a rebirth, right? You're someone just like a child who's starting afresh, who is mending your way in a different way, which is only taking you heeds. Something is coming quite quick. Something is coming very quick. Something is making you fight within. The fight within you is ending. The confusion within you is ending. You are understanding the facts and the figures of universe, not the one that is man-made. You are understanding that yes, magic indeed happens, and you are moving. Okay, you are moving from all the hardship that you have gone through, all the pain that you have gone through, all the heartbreaks, whatever this is, you are moving out of it. You are ascending. 5, 6, 7. You are ascending and you are entering a timeline of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. You're only ascending towards the abundance. You're only ascending towards a timeline where only growth, growth, growth exists. Your fruits are being paid. Woo! I don't know how this happened. The Queen and the King of Pentacles. Do I have to say anything beyond this? The King and the Queen of Pentacles, the feminine and the masculine energies, the money, the materialistic gain, the abundance that you deserve is coming your way. Why? Because you started focusing on certain things which are meant to be focused, which you are actually born for, which is more aligned, and you are least bothered about how other things would take care. I know you're worried about money. I know what are the sources, how would I do it. There would be how, ifs and buts, the nervousness, the anxiety, but it is more because you are ascending. Something new is coming in a very speedy manner, and this new, some new people are entering your life. Whatever this is leading you towards abundance. There is no way on this earth who can take away the power of abundance from you. No one can take that power from you. You have entered the timeline of growth, progression, 2121 on the timer. We did have that number in the angel cards. You have entered the timeline of abundance. Keep walking the path. Keep your level secrets. Know where you are investing your energy. Bring in the change that you're looking out for. Take that leap of faith, take that risk, and see life moving towards ease. Manifest life is ease. Life is at ease. Everything comes to me with ease. Life is actually easy. Keep on repeating these affirmations day in, day out, and see everything falling on your lap. And you really don't have to go out searching for anything, looking for anything. Everything is happening at divine timing. This divine timing is now. It's happening. It's happening for your highest good. It's reaching you at the divine timings, and nobody on this earth can stop that. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. High time you do that. I love you all. Stay blessed. And yes, Om Namah Shivaya.